10 Racing was telling me it's just two big ass gears in that shit, bro. That's all this. That's all this Vortex Supercharger is, just two big ass gears. That's all that makes all that boost, bro. Temps look stable, that's good. Past 180. Anytime I do a pull, they have not passed 180, bro. That's nice. Regular cruising, it's like 190, 195. So yeah, we fixed the gang. We back on road, bro. We back in business, gang. The boost don't start to build until like 2K. You know what I mean? So when I let off, it goes. Psh. But regular, you're not hearing no psh or nothing, bro. It's like a daily. It's like a regular car, bro. That's tough, bro. That's tough. Turbo now, you hear that shit whistling down the fucking road, bro. A motherfucker pull up next to you, he definitely gonna know you boosted, bro. He not gonna try you, bro. But with this, a motherfucker definitely gonna try me, bro. And he gonna find out real quick. Show how to brake traction, gang. Just half throttle, bro. This shit just wants to go, bro. I need tires ASAP, gang. These tires are not ready, bro. Like, traction wants to kick in at like 60, 80 miles an hour still, bro. You see, bro? And the tires are just spinning, bro, so it's making a trans slip, bro. Well, not really slip, but you know what I mean. This tires ain't ready, gang. shit sounds like a fucking jet, gang. Temps are looking nice, bro. See it's cooling down on the spirited driving, gang. Yeah, we good. Bro, I love that shit, bro. That shit sounds like a fucking jet, gang. We driving a fighter jet, gang. That's that for that, gang. We good. No more heartache. Put it back in regular drive sport. That's tough, bro. Intake air temps, bro, have not passed 80 either, bro, so that's good. I mean, under load it's like 70, so the oil cooler and stuff are working, bro, you know what I'm saying? Oil and trans coolers are working, so everything's working, bro. That's good. That's that for the update, gang. Let me see what else. Hey, this steering wheel is mad cool, by the way, bro. You can check so much shit with it. Temps, battery load, engine load, boost, gas. I don't know what that TPS shit is. Maybe tire pressure, but I don't know why that would be that. But more shit, bro. Intake air temps and all that, bro. Bro, that's the first time I came in here and not scrape, bro. That's crazy. But nah, bro, this wheel is cool, bro. I hate this car wash, bro. Alright, we made it. Good, gang. Time to wash her up, feel me? Damn, bro, I want to get the IPL front bumper, man, but tell me, bro, do I still get the IPL front bumper, gang, or do I just try and figure out a lip for this bumper? But I don't know, man. I might get the IPL, I don't know, man. I'm just edging for the IPL bumper and just to put a little lip on it, but I don't know, man. I'm still feeling this bumper, but shit, let me know, gang. IPL front bumper or this bumper, though? Might just put this rag over this just to cover any water and shit, you know what I'm saying? Gotta be smart about it. Don't want the water in the supercharger, feel me? And gotta love a clean VQ, bro. Gots to. Or at least appreciate it, you feel me? Gotta at least love a clean VQ, bro, or appreciate it, gang. Damn. Close up on the wheels, though. Squeaks. Sheesh. Lovely boosted cold start. But yeah, gang, that's gonna be it for today's video, man. As always, man, I appreciate y'all members for tuning in, you feel me, gang? We climbing, bro. Road to 2K, you feel me? And long story short, bro, the G is good, you know what I mean? Just a little update video, you feel me? Took her off a little drive, washed her up, cleaned her up, you feel me? Hope you have a great day, man. And as always, like and subscribe. Peace.